What's up guys, today we are looking at this Ikea desktop lamp. It is called Tertial, Tertial. Okay, so it is a lamp and it recommends that you use LED bulbs, E27. The clamping range of the clamp itself, let me show you. So it comes as a one piece lamp like so, with those springs. So it comes with this clamp and you can clamp it to any desk. Maximum range is 60 millimeters, yeah. And you clamp it like so. And this also acts as a, you can actually mount this to the wall. There's 4 holes that you can screw like so, and then you can put the Ikea lamp in like so. Like that. And then that's how that works. Let me just put this back together. So you just clamp it using this locking nut, like so. And then all you do is slot that in like so. The springs you assemble and allows for the action like so. Okay, so the max wattage is 13 watts for the light bulb. The shade diameter is 17 centimeters. The cord length is 1.5 millimeters and it has this switch here, on and off switch. And what is the actual height? Hang on, I need to tighten this. There we go. The actual height, I'm just reading, about 75 centimeters in height. 75 centimeters in height. And this lamp part is adjustable like so. You can get it quite high. I'm just going to plug it in just to show you what it looks like. So that's it with power on. Just switching it on like so. And you can adjust it whatever angle that you want. It goes quite low, it goes quite high, and it can stretch pretty far as well. And it seems to be okay. All right, let's just go over the pros and cons of this Ikea desk lamp. So the pros is the affordability. It's 17 euros, like it is cheap enough for a desktop lamp. Number 2 is the adjustability. You can go pretty low, you go pretty high as well, and you can stretch right across like a monitor screen or whatever that you need. Simple and functional design. There's not much to it. You can tighten these points. There's one for the lampshade itself and one at the very bottom. You can adjust it. Decent light output. You can put a smart bulb. I previously had a smart bulb on here just to change the ambient lighting. And ease of assembly. Clamp it at the desk. You pop it in. Pop a light bulb in. There you go. The cons. So there are some durability concerns. People said that some of these joints loosen over time, but you can tighten them with a little spanner. You can tighten them. The second con is limited color options, but I think they've expanded. So at the time when I bought this, you could get black, white, and this beige color here, but I think you can get blues and kind of like off greens as well now. So they've extended the range for that. The light quality, some people have reported some flickering of the light. That could be because of the light bulbs that they're using, not necessarily to do with the lamp itself. For me, it's fine. I use LED bulbs. It uses the E27 screw type in bulb and it's fine. No built-in features. So people were looking for dimmable controls. or maybe integrated USB ports, stuff like that. But overall, the Ikea Tertial lamp offers good value for its price. It's important to consider potential durability issues, but I haven't had it. Its features meet your lighting needs, like if you're just reading a book or you're using it to light up a monitor. For my purpose, I was just using it for ambient lighting, and it works for me and no problems there. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.